Hey guys, I'm back with the last part of the video, because I had to clear up my bench, because as you saw in the first part, I ran out of space. Just gonna check if I'm recording. I am. Okay. So, we are at 895, so we did about 100k or two. Yeah, about 100k, my bad. I don't know why I said 2. So now the only thing we got was the Jeremy Maclin. It was 55 minutes ago when I recorded the first part, because I had to take a shower and everything. So what we're gonna do now is, so I just converted all of my silvers and bronzes. I now have 3 gold game plans and all of these gold players. So I'm probably gonna do a 100 large Quicksilver video soon. Probably I might post it Wednesday. Yeah, probably Wednesday. So after 100k, we only got this. That might be worth 100k. I don't know, but let me stop talking. Let's get into the video. So I'm trying to pull one of the new legends, as I said earlier. It's just 12 o'clock, so we got new daily goals. So hopefully I could pull something. Nothing special. Nope. I'm gonna try to be more exciting. Right now it's really late at night. Well, now it's next day, technically. So I'm trying to keep it down a little. Sorry if it's a little bit low. Let me turn down the volume. 79, so for about 12k, so it's a profit right there. So we're 200k in about that. We have gone 1 elite, which is that is pretty bad for just 200k. No, that's worth like 10k probably. So I could sell that. 75, 72, 70. Yeah, after this I'll be able to do a 100 large quick sells. Definitely, 100%. 700k to go. So still had a lot of chances just to pull that. Well, one of the 2 legends, hopefully. I think they're going for like a good, like, I think 2 mil or 1.5 mil a piece, which that would be really nice if we pull one of those. I would be so happy. So hopefully we do. I'm trying to speed this up, make it a short video, not that long. Probably gonna be about 8 minutes or so. So, see, that's another like 12k pull at least. I just want to see when, you know, when you get an elite player, it does that wiggle or shake or whatever you want to call it. Sometimes it usually doesn't do it though. Which I kind of like how you could tell now if you got an elite from last year. I kind of liked in the original, I think it was in Madden 15, in the beginning of Madden 15, where it would tell you update team. Like, it would say update team if I got an elite there. And like gold, they would update my team before I would even open any. So, I like that. I don't like the shake thing as much as I did, but it's something of knowing that you actually got something. So, man, just getting nothing. What is it, 400k now? And I've gotten 1 elite, 1 Jeremy Maclin. That's not good. It's not good at all. And the Jeremy Maclin I can't even put on my team. That's a sad thing. I can, but he's not going to update my team. I don't know, but I'm not going to update my elites. I'm not going to upgrade my elites, or level them up. Because that's just going to be a waste of coins. My elites are worth a lot, actually. I have a few that are worth like a few 100k. Oh, power cell. Only 1. That's not going to do me any good. You need like 100 power cells to get that non-optional player. To be honest, it's just a waste of time if you're actually going to do them. there's 80. There's elites better than that, and you don't have to spend that much time getting them. So 70, nothing special. Man, we're coming up to 500k, and we haven't got anything. Maybe it's a sign that I might get something really good. One of those 90s, or 89s, or 87s. I would take like a. Here, let me disable that. I would take an 86 or something. I'd be fine with that. It'll probably be worth something. Like, probably 200, 300k. I'm just not gonna look in this one, alright? I'm not gonna look for the update team. Nope, nothing. Punt return, that might be worth something. Man, these are dry. Holy cow. Alright, two golds and a shot colors pack. If there's an elite here, I'll do a 1 million coin giveaway. Aw, what a shame, no elites. Man, oh my god, this is horrible. Oh my god. I swear, if I don't get an elite before 400, before I come to 400k, that's gonna be ridiculous. Okay, gold coach, that's not that bad. I did pull something good the other day. It was a Wheel of Man cash. It takes 48 hours. It takes 2 days off of the Wheel of Man cash, so that's pretty good. That would be like a 1 million coin pull if that was in. Oh my god, we're 700k in. Well, we're at 600k in, and we've only got one elite. And that's elite probably worth like, I think it's probably worth 80k. Not even that. Probably 70k. So this is so far a big mistake. Hopefully, I need a good pull right now. Oh my god, that's ridiculous! I swear to God. 94, 74. This ain't gonna help me. I'm probably gonna put these into sets. Man, this is just. Man, this is gonna be a horrible video. Dude, this is ridiculous. Oh my god. I'm getting nothing. I'm getting straight garbage. Ooh, 71. Woohoo. Man, 700k in. 720k in. We've gotten one elite. We're with 58 punter. 500k right there. Just kidding. Oh my god. I don't even want to look at any more packs. Oh my god. You know, I'm gonna just do a blind per pack opening one day. 1 million blind, and I'm gonna see which one was better. How many leads did we get? This is just stupid. Oh my god. 800k. Only one elite. Woo! Man. What a waste of money. Well, 1 million coins is only $6 at my sponsor, so. And they're reliable too, so. We're coming down on the last 200k. 150k actually. And we pulled one elite. I swear to God, this is the like best pack opening on YouTube. I watched another pack opening and it had 15 elites and 500k, and I'm like, what? Like, that's pretty much like every other pack. I'm here pulling straight garbage. One elite out of 1 million coins? One elite out of 900,000 coins. That's just crap. And I can't even put them on my team. This is just, oh my, a 78. That might be worth 7.5k. One that's not. See, I want to do something better with all these gold players, like put them in the game plan sets or something. Like silver game plan sets, like 2 or more. Better. Something like that. They should do a pack. So the last 50k, can we clutch it out with one more elite pull? I swear to God, if we don't, I'm just not gonna look anymore. I'm not gonna look for the last 50k. Alright, 2 more packs. Alright, one more. Let's go check to see if we got anything after this. I swear to God, if we didn't get anything. Nope, we got, oh my. Jesus Christ. Alright, well, I'm gonna put all of these up for. These are all going up for, let's do 18k. And let's do 14 bid. So those should all sell in 4 hours. But man, alright, so the Dante Moncrief we didn't pull, I know that. So we're gonna go to my team. And we're just gonna check out this. See, so I could technically replace him, but he doesn't have that good stats compared. Dante Moncrief is a beast, but it lowers my team down, so I'm not gonna put him in. So this has been a 1 million coin pack opening, and so let's go review our totals that we got. So we got 1 elite, and all of these golds, not all of these golds, like we got about, I would say like 100 golds or whatever. So skip all the golds, and then we got our silvers. So cards here. Now I didn't pull these. I pulled these out of the sets from my Madden coin making method. So you should go watch that, because I'll make you see. That made me 200,000. No, this is easily probably 300,000, and it only cost me 50k. So I'll trade all these in for bronze game plans, and then trade them in for silver, and then trade them in for another gold, and work my way up to the elite. Oh wait, hold on. We got space for one more pack. I swear if we pull like a 90 here. This is right here. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Alright. Well, I guess that sums it up for today. So I'll see you in the next video.